Over the past several years, there has been a growing interest in quick ways to make money online from the comfort of our homes. People who work from their couches earn a good amount of money. You can do the same, and you can work it full-time or for a side gig hustle. So you can start quickly. You need a laptop and a good internet connection first. But you are lazy like me and want to earn passive income by doing nothing and reaching your financial goals. It's easier than you think. Don't worry. You are at the right place. Today's video is for those who start yawning just thinking about work. Passive income is the name of the game. So let's begin. My favorite way to earn money is sitting in front of the TV and using my mobile for referral and refer a friend offers. Many companies and apps will offer bonuses to new users for referring them to their service. You may be wondering why companies pay us for referrals. A referral program is a word-of-mouth marketing strategy that rewards customers who recommend a brand's products or services to their network. So let's take a look at the best referral programs. Currently, Google Workspace is leading an excellent and profitable referral program. Suppose someone joins with your referral link. Google will reward you between $8 to $23. T-Mobile also pays cool rewards like $50 for a successful signal. There is nothing better than free money, and many websites offer cash rewards just for registering. By using passive income apps, you can make money on autopilot, so you don't have to work for it. Interesting or not? The website also has referral rewards, so you can double your income by inviting your friends, as I told you above. Many websites on the internet offer registration rewards. Websites like Swagbucks, Inbox Dollars, and Nielsen Panel offer sign-up bonuses, so you can make quick money doing nothing. It is better to register for multiple websites to maximize your earnings. What are you waiting for to grab your mobile and change the passive income game? The following way to earn money is by using cashback apps. By using cashback apps while shopping, you can earn money doing nothing out of the ordinary. Using these apps will add cashback to your wallet whenever you usually shop. For example, with Ibotta, you can earn free money when you shop in-store or online at hundreds of retailers like Walmart, Lowe's, Target, or more. Although your earnings may not seem high at first glance, they can add up over time, and it's free money for doing nothing. I've been using this method for a few months now, and am getting $300 to $500 cash back every month. This income stream has vast earning potential. The fun thing is that you can do this while sitting at home. Yes, I'm not kidding. Well, if you wanted to invest in a business, you used to have to go out of your home, but that's not the case anymore. Thanks to platforms like Mainvest, you can easily invest in small businesses across the country for as little as $100. This means you don't have to spend time and energy building a business, but you can still make money passively by owning a small chunk. Since small businesses have higher growth rates than larger ones, you can see serious returns on your investment. ManInvest has a target return of between 10% and 25% annually, which is more vital than some other investments. Thanks again to the World Wide Web. Doing something you thoroughly enjoy can lead to passive income. Playing video games and streaming that experience online can generate cash in your hands. Streaming platforms have become big business for some gamers, even if you're not well-known or exceptionally good at a particular game. Being on a platform like Twitch creates several revenue outlets, including collecting monthly paying subscribers, allowing ads on the channel, and sponsorship opportunities. Getting on a powerful game streaming platform takes some heavy lifting, but once you're in, the money can flow quickly and easily. Alternatively, you can download the Misplay app that will pay you to play games on your phone. If you have an eye and passion for photography, selling stock photos can be a great way to make money. All you'll need to invest in is a quality camera and some photo editing software. But once you have these things, you can start taking photos and selling them passively. Initially, you can do the same with your mobile phone and edit photos with free software. Please spend a few days taking and editing photos before putting them on popular websites like Shutterstock and Adobe Stock Images. Depending on the number of images and their quality, it is possible to earn thousands of dollars a month selling stock photos. One of the more common ways to earn passive income is investing in stocks that pay high dividends. Investing is a great way to make money doing nothing while at the same time growing your wealth. Although you won't see a paycheck with this method, you can pay quarterly dividends. To make money in stocks, you must first buy your stocks. By using stock websites, you can easily buy your favorite stocks. If you want to make money, you have to give your stocks time to grow, and it won't happen overnight, although it is possible. After your holdings have appreciated, you can sell them for a profit. Taking a survey is one of the easiest things anyone can do. It doesn't take much time or effort. However, if you want to earn more money, you can spend as much time as you want on surveys. Many websites and apps on the internet offer to pay you to take surveys. They are commonly referred to as GPT sites. They also pay for silly things like watching videos, playing games, etc. You can bag up to $5 for some surveys. Some of the best online websites that offer paid surveys are Survey Junkie, Opinion City, Inbox Dollars, and Window Research. So are you up for it or not? If there's one thing that's easy to do, it's downloading apps. And it doesn't get any easier than making money doing almost anything. We use our phones almost every hour of every day anyway. Well, I do at least, and most of the time. It takes almost no effort to make some extra side cash just by clicking a button. So I searched for companies that would pay people to download their apps. Sounds pretty easy, right? If you're interested in getting paid for doing nothing, download and install Nielsen's app now. They are a consumer research agency and will pay you $50 per year to download the app. If you spend a lot of time watching television, why not get paid? The Nielsen Company will pay you to watch television, provided you let them track your habits. This data is used to measure television ratings, which are then used to analyze advertising rates. Another option is to watch movie trailers and other videos on websites like Inbox Dollars to earn money. If you love and spend a day listening to music, make it your business by reviewing unsigned bands and artists online for cash with Sliceathabeat. Some users of the site claim to earn up to €40 a month. Not life-changing, though if you enjoy it, it shouldn't be hard work. Your earnings will be paid in dollars, but anyone can sign up and review. In conclusion, the best way to make money online for beginners is by doing something that you're interested in and that you can do on a full-time basis. There are many ways to make money online, and the best way to start is by finding something that you're passionate about and trying to do it yourself. There are many opportunities out there, and if you're willing to work hard and take the time to find them, you might just be able to make some real money. Making money fast is possible with the right attitude and a little bit of work. Well, that brings us to an end. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button and consider subscribing to our channel. Thank you for watching.